So I have no idea if this works now. I just started the video recording. So this is a sample video of me here in Barcelona at the Barcelona beach trying out the 180 degrees 3D camera from Lenovo, the Lenovo Mirage Camera. And well, if you are in a VR headset right now, then probably you would see this in 3D and in 180 degrees. And if you're not, then you should see that as a normal video. So this is some test footage for you guys to find out how the quality is. You can choose from different quality settings, and this quality setting is now the 4K, the highest one. There's also a QHD one or QVGA or something. Anyways, this is the highest setting. This is 4K. So you can get the Lenovo Mirage Camera for $299, and probably you have just watched my unboxing and now I'm trying it out. And as it happens to be, I'm here in Barcelona on a little vacation with my family, and perfect now for me to check out this camera. Yeah, in the background you see the ocean, and this is actually Barceloneta beach in Barcelona. All right, there's also a live setting where I could live stream, but I'm not sure if my connection is fast enough. I don't have 4G here now. I have only 3G, so I need to try that out a bit later, and I'm going to try it out a bit later. All right, so please do let me know in the comment section below what you think about the quality of the 180 degrees and 3D picture. And again, you should rewatch this from the YouTube app. You can, if you have a Daydream device, you have the YouTube VR app, or also from Steam. You can get the YouTube VR app, and you should be able to see that in glorious 3D and 180 degrees. So, how is the quality? Is it worth it to pay $299 for the Mirage Camera? If yes, please do let me know. If you think the quality is not good enough, then please also let me know in the comment section below. Yeah, what else to tell you? Well, as I told you, there's no screen on that device. Everything goes through the app. So you should see a preview in your app, but for some reason now I don't even get a preview, and everything is completely blindly. Yeah. What else can I say? Let me think. $299, no screen, but yeah, you can take pictures, you can take videos and live streams. And the live streams you can choose in the app which YouTube channel you want to connect with it. But I haven't tried that yet, and I suppose that my connection is not fast enough. I don't have LTE here at the beach, unfortunately, but I can still give it a try a moment later. All right, guys, this is here from my first day in Barcelona, and I'm gonna stay here until Friday, so 4 more days. And I will also take some 3D footage of some sites here in Barcelona, like La Sagrada Familia, the beautiful church, and later we're going to Old Town. So definitely some nice places to try out the 3D camera and to try out to take some more footage with the video camera. Yeah, I was also asked if this works with the Go, with the Oculus Go, and you can try it out yourself now. If you have the Oculus Go, you can try to watch this footage through the browser. Simply go to your browser, go to YouTube and find this video, and then there's a setting to turn on 3D. I've checked that before, but it didn't look as good as through the original YouTube app. Actually, it looked very strange if I tried it to watch it through the Oculus Go. So that doesn't seem to be super compatible, the Mirage 3D camera, but if you watch it through the original YouTube app from Steam or from Daydream, then actually it turns out quite well. Okay, that's it for this short video. I hope you enjoyed it. If yes, give it a thumbs up, and of course, if you have not yet subscribed to Ammer TV, do so now. I'm looking forward to see you in the next video. Bye.